Hello, my name is Joseph Powers. I'm a 2018 graduate from San Juan College CDL program. Shortly after I graduated with this program, I got my CDL and I got hired on at a national company. The instructors at San Juan College, they gave us information above and beyond of what might be out there when we're out there on the road by ourselves and know how to handle ourselves while being out and delivering loads. They taught us about sliding tandems and how it affects the weight of the trucks. They taught us how to drive through mountainous areas, so driving was pretty easy once we got out there and started driving around. Based on my experiences, I would recommend San Juan College CDL program to anybody that is serious about going and getting their commercial driver's license.